Hello guys, and welcome to Top 4 Earn channel. Lastly, let me take a moment to show you the last payment I received from this hold down. Let me check it out for you. The deposit has been stripped and it's $835. Here's the deal guys. Today I'm going to share with you an insane AI method for earning money using a brand new AI tool that is even better than ChatGPT. It is completely free. Since charity got all of the publicity, most people don't even know about this deal. It got more exposure than ChatGPT and is even better than ChatGPT, but it just doesn't have as much promotion as ChatGPT. If you use this method, you can earn 800 just like I did, or you can even make more because I was just testing out this method. My goal for this tutorial is to provide you with a complete overview of what this tool is, how it works, and a few ways to make money using it. But most people are actually using it wrong. It doesn't work without a special hack, which I'll show you again in the middle of the tutorial. It is very important that you do not skip ahead in this video, because if you miss out it, you won't be able to get anything out of it. So please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to leave a comment below something for the YouTube AI algorithm. Okay guys, let's start with the step-by-step tutorial. You can see this is the amount I received, $835, and I had to deposit 65 cents into my Stripe account, which was then transferred to my bank account. The video in question is going to show you how to make this much money yourself, but I hope you will be able to make even more money than this. In order to get started, all you need to do is go to Google and look for a Ride Sonic OK. Then go to Write Sonic and register for your first account right here. That's what it looks like, and it is pretty much stating that it is best AI writer for creating. It is a problem, though, because it isn't just AI writer. There are also a couple of tools included in selfies that aren't even advertised on their main page. Yes, they claim it's an AI writer, but it is so much more. This website is a perfect AI writer, but it is also much more than that. If you want to start writing for free, you simply need to sign up for a free account, and you can do that right here. Sign up for a free account when you want to do this. Here's how your account will look now when you do it. There are multiple of these accounts you can create and use for a long time for free, but what I recommend is once you make money using these free accounts, you need to pay for it. So go for solutions. They are not the best actually. Okay, they are not the best, but if you're going to go with a free one, because you're going to receive 2.500 words, as a result, you will make enough money to pay for it and use it long term so that you can make enough money. Those are pretty much all the features instead of the Write Sonic, but we're going to use a new one here called Chat Sonic, which works similarly to ChatGPT, but on the Write Sonic, there is a difference between this and ChatGPT because ChatGPT uses information from 2020, 2021, or something like that instead of the most current information. There are a lot of cool things in this version that are going to give you new information, and it pretty much has a lot more cool features, like you can write factual content and then create digital artwork so you can create articles. It can also create images. The microphone can be connected to it, and you can select this option. So you can basically talk to it, and it's going to do whatever you tell it to do. In addition, you can write ads with it since it comes with all of those high-quality AI writing tools all in one place. Additionally, you can choose a personality, so, for example, it's going to be a general AI, or an English translator, or an interviewer, a travel guide, or even a stand-up comedian, and you can see that 3 generations are 25 for a brand new account, so 25 is plenty if you use it properly. In the following example, I'm going to ask you for 5 top ways to make money online using AI tools. Now, I always say thank you and please to these AI tools, which might sound weird, but that's pretty much how I use English. So yeah, I always do that, and it's going to basically write these tools right in front of your eyes, so it's going to happen very quickly. So that's it, and the real problem is what most people just do. In addition, if they just copy and paste this exact thing that is right here, it doesn't work anymore because everyone has been doing it for so long. If you want to help me out with them, please write a 200-word paragraph for each one. The content for these categories is going to be even longer. So for example, when you see create a chatbot, you will now see it will be much longer than this, and when you see offer AI consultancy services, you will also see it will be longer than this. Hence, this will result in a bigger, longer article with much more information that we can use when this is finished. When that is done, I will show you something that will blow your mind. So I am stumbling on something that is going to blow your mind. Honestly, my tongue has been too active today, but now it's finished. This is going to be the article. So just as an example, I'm going to use the first paragraph because this article will be used in its entirety. However, the problem with this article as it stands right now is 0, but there are some minor ones as well. In order for me to show you what you need to do, you need to search for AI Article Tester on Google. It is a testing tool that identifies whether a lot of the articles that have been generating using AI for the past couple of months are real or are they generated by AI. If I put it right here and click on Analyze Text, I see it is like 0% human-generated content, which means this article is most likely not going to be at all good for anything but reading. You're not going to get any traffic from this article, you're not going to be able to sell it, you're not going to get any sales or clicks with it. The only thing this article will be good for is some fluff content, but what should you do? If you just want to see what you can do for free, go to this website called Quillbot. The first tool on the left-hand side is called Paraphraser, so just put it in that section. In the free version, there are some limitations, but you can work around them by using it multiple times and clicking on Paraphrase, and this will cause the article to be completely. After it has been done, I'm just going to copy it right here, and this is the part that's going to blow your mind. Now I will put that back into the AI content detector and analyze it, and bam, we have 88 human-created content. So we're going to see that this started off as 0, but by using the Quillbot, it changed to 88. Yeah, I think it's safe to say that you can use the AI writing tool and then put them in Quillbot to paraphrase them. That way you'll get high-quality articles now that you'll actually be able to sell them, you can get traffic and rank them, and you can even get clicks and visitors. Next, you want to go to Warrior Plus. Go to Affiliate, go to Offers, and you want to pick up an offer which is almost entirely about ChatGPT or AI, because there are plenty of them right now. There are no other places you could find them. ClickBank doesn't have them, nor does Digital, but Warrior Plus has them in abundance. You can see them here: AI Smart News, then GPT Blaster, an app powered by ChatGPT. This one here is pretty simple. I'm going to look at it. Just look at the sales page. You'll see that the keyword first checkability part is pretty much what it is. Google Killer App creates high-quality content. Okay, now, as always, when I'm promoting Radio Plus products, they are mostly to make money online. But in this case, they don't have to be because we're using the AI angle. So this is a product we'll be promoting. AI Body, SOAR Request Approval, is what it's called, and essentially you want to write, hey, I'm a brand new affiliate and I'm allowed to promote your product. So please click on the request offer, and depending on the stat, get the feeling right away. So this will be my toilet link. It will be copied and pasted later on, and when you generate the article, you need to be sure you use the right Sonic or the right ChatGPT to give you updated data. Sonic is recommended because it is more updated data in the article, and ChatGPT gives you older data. You will run the article through a Quillbot. In order to get your result, you will want to check if it's a human-generated one and then use it. In the next step, you need to go to medium.com and click on the right here, and you'll find a special hack you can use with this exact method of making money. In the second video, I will just copy and paste it because I don't want to eat up your time. Hence, I'd like to know the top 5 methods of earning money online using online tools. For example, for beginners, using AI tools, and you should again refer to the article that you have written right here in the writer and put it right there. I would like you to write method number 1, just like this, then put it right there. It's okay. So I'll copy and paste it there because this is not important. Scrap it and paste it there and make it look good. The call to action will be this whole article was generated by AI tools. so I'm going to copy and paste it there so it looks good. But this is really the hack to make money with AI tools. Check out this article to see how you can do this yourself and earn money online using artificial intelligence. This type of call to action is basically just confirming that the person reading the article right now is that the method actually works. For example, whenever somebody actually reads this article, there is going to be traffic from Medium. If the person searches for this article on Google, they will know that you spun it with a Quillbot, so they will think it's like okay method number 1, and then the entire article was generated using AI. This is a new way of releasing yourself and your money online using artificial intelligence. They're like, okay, this method was actually used on me, and they're like, okay, I want to find out how they did it. That's where you're going to add your affiliate link. So highlight that part, add your refer a friend link, and hit enter. This can actually be posted on Medium. You can also post it to other social media sites such as Facebook groups and PDF sharing websites. But it is about creating an article using ChatGPT, whatever it is, including weight loss, even like I'm not sure. In addition to your affiliate links, add the affiliate link for those products, but also add the call to action for this article. This entire